Nuthatch, tea creeper, great-tit, male, cat, saffin.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to basically day 2, kind of day 1 of that's a light, bright light, of our Centre Parks trip. Today I think we're going to be, some of us are going to be going on a nature walk, some of us are going on a cave thing, so I will only be able to film the nature walk as I'm not going on the cave, but we'll just see, then we'll just kind of like see where today takes us after that, because we haven't really got anything else planned for that. If you can tell my voice is a bit weird, it might get better throughout the day, it might not, we'll just see. Anyway, I need to go get dressed because I'm still in my pyjamas, my Aristocat Marie pyjamas. I've just had some breakfast, half of us having breakfast and still sorting out the caving thing because there's not enough spaces. But anyway, see you guys in a bit. As you can tell with all of the nature behind me, we are at the nature centre. We just took a little walk, if you saw in the montage. Don't really know what I did in the montage, it's a bit weird. But we're just having a little walk around. There's a bat house. We're looking at like bat houses and butterfly houses.
And then I can put
and lots of things, like a cute little like, what?
All your creatures in an insect house instead of keeping them in your bedroom.
What was your idea, mister?
Well, I've been catching the twitterfors and some spiders, and I caught a moth, but I'll tell you something interesting about this moth.
Okay.
I was holding it, then it was flapping its wings, and every time it flapped its wings, there's a bit of gold on my finger. I wiped it off, and then it flapped its wings again, and then there was gold on my finger. So wherever it flapped its wing, there was gold on whichever finger it flapped on.
I wonder what that was from.
It was like its wings were golden. Its fur and its body was yellow.
Ooh. So I wonder if it was like shedding or something.
And it was so cute. Its eyes were so cute. It was just like,
I hope you kept it away from Colin.
Nope, I put it in my box.
So yeah, you kept it away from Colin?
Yeah.
Colin, our cat.
This in turn is a food source for woodland birds like the blue tit. Nettles can also be eaten. Once cooked, they lose their sting and have more iron in that spinach.
Wow, good reading, Edward.
You can turn a nettle into beer.
Beer?
Yeah.
You can make
nettle beer.
Nettle wine, nettle beer.
He's looking at the bats.
Keeping airborne requires a lot of energy, and the tiny common pipistrelle, our smallest species, can eat up to 3,000 insects in one.
Wow.
That's
That's a lot of insects in one night, isn't it? 3,000 in one night.
Bats are the only mammals that can fly. They are gentle, intelligent animals and very useful as they eat large numbers of insects. All species of bat in the UK feed only on insects, particularly moths, mosquitoes and other flies. Grey squirrels breed twice a year. There are normally 2 to 6 babies in each litter. The
Dray? Yeah.
The dray is usually lined with
That's what their
moss,
nest is called.
thistledown, dried grass and feathers. Grey squirrels build a large, untidy-looking nest or dray in the treetops or hollow tree trunks. That on the African savanna, herds of grazing insects clean the pond on a constant basis. That's if they are fortunate in avoiding the many predators waiting to make a meal of an unsuspecting grazer. The lion. Lying in wait to pounce is the dragonfly larvae. Will eat almost everything living that is smaller than themselves. The dragonfly nymph is able to extending jaw out and impaling its prey. The larger dragonfly larvae are known to catch and eat small fish. Usually they eat bloodworms or other aquatic insect larvae. The larva can live for several years underwater and undergoes a series of molts as it grows. It emerges from the water when it is ready to undergo its final molt, where the skin splits to release the winged adult. Much as a butterfly or moth emerges from its pupa.
Yeah, film.
Common lizard, typical adult size, is approximately 15 centimeters, nose to tail. They are commonly a shade of brown with patterns of spots or stripes. This species is a cold-blooded reptile and spends a lot of its time in basking in the sun to warm up. They prefer open, sunny areas and are frequently seen on hill hefts, moorland, and sea cliffs around British
Isles.
Isles.
It's just covered up. Yay!
Thank you, Ranger Edward.
Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the dragonfly facts. So, let's begin. Dragonfly nymphs hatch from eggs and live underwater for several years. Dragonflies can fly backwards, change direction in midair and hover for up to a minute. They climb onto a plant stem and shed their skin to become adults.
Well done. Oh, that shaking is me clapping. My camera is dying.